New York City, also known as the Big Apple, is a bustling metropolis that attracts millions of visitors every year. It is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, including the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and the Empire State Building. The city is also known for its diverse neighborhoods, world-class museums, and excellent food scene. With so much to see and do, it's easy to get overwhelmed. This guide will help you plan your trip and make the most of your time in New York City. New York City is served by three major airports: John F. Kennedy International Airport, JFK, LaGuardia Airport, LGA, and Newark Liberty International Airport, EWR. All three airports are connected to the city by public transportation, including buses, subways, and trains. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also available, but can be expensive during rush hour. If you're coming from another city on the East Coast, you can also take a train or bus to New York City. Once you're in the city, the subway is the best way to get around. The subway system is extensive and affordable, with fares starting at $2.75 per ride. You can also use a MetroCard to pay for bus rides and some commuter trains. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also available, but can be expensive during rush hour. If you're staying in a central location, you can also walk or rent a bike to explore the city. New York City has a wide range of accommodations to fit every budget and style. Some popular neighborhoods for tourists include Midtown Manhattan, the Upper East Side, and Brooklyn. Midtown Manhattan is home to many of the city's iconic landmarks, as well as a variety of hotels and restaurants. The Upper East Side is known for its luxury boutiques and museums, while Brooklyn offers a more laid-back atmosphere with great views of the Manhattan skyline. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, consider staying in a hostel or an Airbnb. Hostels offer shared rooms and common areas, making them a great option for solo travelers or groups on a tight budget. Airbnb allows you to rent a private room or an entire apartment from a local host, giving you a more authentic experience of the city. New York City has something for everyone, whether you're interested in art, history, or just soaking up the city's energy. Times Square is a bustling commercial and entertainment hub in Midtown Manhattan. You can see the iconic billboards and neon lights, catch a Broadway show, or grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants in the area. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your trip to New York City. Plan ahead. There is so much to see and do in New York City, so it's a good idea to plan your itinerary in advance. Make a list of your must-see attractions and book tickets in advance if possible. Take the subway. The subway is the most convenient and affordable way to get around the city. You can buy a MetroCard at any subway station or online. Wear comfortable shoes. New York City is a walking city, so make sure to wear comfortable shoes for exploring the streets and parks. Be aware of your surroundings. New York City is a safe city overall, but it's always a good idea to be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. The Empire State Building is one of the most famous skyscrapers in the world. You can take an elevator to the observation deck on the 86th floor for stunning views of the city. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. You can take a ferry from Battery Park to Liberty Island to see the statue up close and even climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.